In this video, I will be showing you how to create a task in Calendar View on ClickUp. ClickUp's Calendar View offers a visually engaging and intuitive way to manage your tasks and deadlines. In this view, you can easily spot upcoming tasks and allocate them to specific dates, making it an ideal tool for effective time management. Creating tasks directly in the Calendar View allows you to seamlessly schedule and prioritize your work. To create a task using the month time period, hover over any day and then click the plus icon to create a task. Give the task a name and optionally add any details you want. Click Save to finalize the task creation. If you're using the day, 4 days, or week time period, click on the specific day and time when you want to set the task due. Name the task and provide any optional details as needed. Click Save to save the task with a specified due date and time. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.